Hey everyone! So as you know, I have been trying to get back into bullet journaling. I started this smaller one. I did an art video where I showed you guys how I laid it out and stuff. And actually, I think that I'm going to start doing an extra video every month where I walk through my previous month and then set up the next month. Maybe. I'm gonna try to do them as I can. I'm hoping that it'll help me keep up with it, so yeah. Anyway, I didn't really do any upgrades to it like I did on my last bullet journal that I put together last year. I didn't really feel like it needed any. However, the one thing that it did need was a pen loop, and as you can see right here, I have one. So that's what I'm going to be showing you guys how to make. It's really easy, and actually this is going to be a craft hoard, if you couldn't already tell from the title of the video. So yeah, let's get started. You'll need a binder clip. The one that I have is pretty big. I used what I had, but a smaller one would probably be better. Vinyl fabric, scissors, a pen, and a journal. Cut a rectangle of vinyl fabric that's about half an inch taller than the binder clip and about 3 or so inches wide. Basically, it needs to be long enough to be able to wrap around the clip and the pen. Place the pen on the flat, short side of the clip and wrap the vinyl around the clip and pen, and mark where the vinyl meets the other end of the clip like so. Measure in about another 1/8 of an inch and cut. You want the pen to be held in snugly, and if you skip this, the loop will probably end up a little bit too big and the pen will slide right through. At least that's what happened with this one, which you'll see in a little bit. I actually ended up cutting a little bit more than 1/8 of an inch off, and yeah. Anyway, round the corners. Place the clip on the edge of the vinyl, 1/4 of an inch in from the edges, and then mark at the edge of the clip. Cut it out. Fold it in half and trace the cut bit onto the vinyl and cut it out. And then it's just a matter of putting it together. And here's the easiest way that I found to put this together. Thread the metal loopy bit that's closest to you through the slit on the left side of the vinyl piece. You want to go through the wrong side and out of the right side. Push the metal bit back down and squeeze together to open the clip. Pull the edge over the lip of the clip and push it into the clip and close. Pull the other side to bring it onto the clip like this. Thread the other loopy part into the other slit and pull it down to the base of this metal arm bit. This will pull the rest of the vinyl over, but don't worry, we'll readjust it. Squeeze to open and push the edge into the clip again. Close it and adjust the loop on the clip until it looks something like this. Make sure it fits your pen, which this one, since like I said I cut more than 1/8 of an inch off, it made this loop a little bit tighter and it wouldn't fit the pen. But it did fit this pencil, so I could still use this one. But this is also such little fabric that it's not too much of a pain to try to redo. Anyway, once you have one that is the right size, clip it onto the back of your journal or in your sketchbook or whatever. Flip the loopy arm bits down, and then slide your pen or pencil in. And here's one that I made that fits my pen perfectly. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please leave a like, and if you want to see more, then feel free to subscribe. I post art videos every Tuesday and DIY videos every Thursday. Thank you to my patrons for helping me produce this video. If you are interested in becoming a patron, then I'll leave a link to mine right up here and you can go check it out. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave a comment down below, and I'll see you next week.